Soul language is the purest soul voice. If your spiritual channels are open, you will understand its meaning. If your spiritual channels are not open, you will not understand its meaning. Soul language translation is one of the most important spiritual communication abilities, particularly in this age of expansive awakening. You could be fascinated to know what your soul is saying. To bring out your soul language, we use 5 power techniques: breathing power, body power, soul power, sound power, and mind power. Soul language is the pure soul voice. It can be translated into English, Yoruba, French, German, Chinese, or any other language you know. To activate your soul language, we use 5 power techniques. Breathing power. Breathe deeply from the diaphragm like the yogis. Visualize the breath ascending the 7 chakras. When it reaches the crown, hold for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat 3 times. Now, we activate mind power. Visualize golden light shining directly to the heart or message center. And now, we activate sound power, soul power, and body power. Together, these powers will help you bring out your soul language, the language of heaven. To develop your soul language, the language of heaven, we use 5 body powers: breathing power, body power, soul power, sound power, and mind power. And we also use the sacred healing code San San Jolu Bayawu, or 3396815. Body power. Sit up straight or stand. Put the tip of your tongue toward the roof of your mouth without touching. Hold for 3 seconds, then relax. Tighten your sphincter muscles for 3 seconds, then relax. This opens up the 4 major meridian pathways. Put your left palm over your heart. Put your right hand in the traditional prayer position with fingers pointing upward. This is called the Soul Light Era prayer position. The Soul Light Era prayer position is a special signal and connection with heaven. Now that we have the proper body power, let's activate soul power by saying hello. Dear soul, mind, and body of my heart, dear soul, mind, and body of San San Jolu Bayawu, I love you. You have the power to bring out my soul language. Do a great job. Thank you. To activate sound power, we chant out loud as fast as we can. San San Jolu Bayawu. When you chant as fast as you can, suddenly a special voice comes out. It may sound strange, like gibberish. It may sound funny. It may be melodic or repetitive. It could even sound like a clicking sound. Have no expectations. Simply enjoy your special voice, your soul voice that connects you with heaven. It may take practice to bring out your soul language.